Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting. At the moment I'm busy spring cleaning and I'm on to the dining room today. So let's get going. So here it is, all finished. I've decorated the dining room. Let's have a look at what we've got. So starting over here, I have a drinks cabinet. Always wanted one of these. I got this off Amazon quite a few years ago, I think. Had to put it together myself. So I've got all my lovely gins and aperitifs on there. And then obviously you open up the globe. Got a lovely scene inside the globe, and then they can keep all your lovely cute glasses and some extra drinks. So that's the globe. And then we have the sideboard. We've kept it pretty simple and fresh. A vase with some lovely silk flowers. Another one of those IKEA baskets that we've got in the hall. A lovely hare. Can't remember where we got that from, but he's a lovely Eastery hare, isn't he, in spring? And then these two candlesticks, got those from Marks and Spencer's quite a few years ago. They were gold, but we painted them white. Actually, that vase, I think, was from Home Sense, and it was teal, but it's now white. So we do like to paint some things white. I think actually sometimes we think about painting the furniture white, but we'll see what happens. So here's the dining table. So we've got these lovely water hyacinth placemats with matching coasters. I think I got these on eBay, and I got these from good old IKEA. And the plates, the bottom plate is a lovely plain white with gold and grey trim from Marks and Spencer's, and the plate on top's a Port Merion we bought when we went up to Stoke-on-Trent. But funnily enough, you can actually get them in places like Home Sense and Boundary Mills and places like that, so they are widely available all over the place. But just thought they were so spring-like. We've got different patterns on them. So that one is an African lily, and then this one is a dog rose, and we've actually got two of each. So that looks pretty nice. Got this lovely vase here, which we've kind of upcycled. We've put the jute round the top, and this is an old necklace. And then this, I think it was a wedding, Mr. and Mrs. And I sort of sanded it off and then wrote that on myself. And then we've put the fake eucalyptus and flowers in, and then a lovely peony candle. I think that was from Home Bargains. Very nice. Smells lovely. And I think the table's simple, fresh, but very nice and ready for spring. And then over there we have our 3-tiered tray. I think I might have shown that before on the Easter video. So there's still we've took most of the Easter stuff off. There's still a little rabbit one there, and there's a nice little, this is really sweet, I got this on eBay. It's a Royal Dalton little mini teapot, and we have a little squirrel. I think I got that from eBay as well, and one of those lovely little photo frames with a picture in it, little downloadable printable, and my favourite little IKEA plant pots. And then this, I actually upcycled this. It's a rolling pin. I think it was 75p from Wilko. We painted it, added the buffalo check bow, and then put the got those. I bought the words, final words, and then put them on. But I think I'm going to make some for Halloween, so I might do a video make of that because I think they're really sweet. So there we go. That is our spring dining room table. Hope you like it, and I will continue to move around the house, tidying up, freshening up. Oh, one thing I forgot there is our little ladder. Funnily enough, I get a lot of stuff here from eBay, didn't I? That's from eBay. And then the this is a tea towel. It's a Martha Stewart one from TK Maxx, but it's a nice little spring look to it. And then this, these are beads, but actually made these myself. Just bought the beads and then threaded them onto the buffalo check thread. So that's another little crafty make I have done. So as you can see, I like to craft things and then display them around the home, you know, to make the decorations more exciting. So there you go. Hopefully some of my makes and ideas have helped inspire you, and I look forward to seeing you next time when I move on to another area of the house. Thanks for watching. Take care.